What's going on, guys? Just making a quick unboxing video. Finally got the rear brake pedal on the shift lever from AS3 Performance. Let's open it up and take a look. There's the rear brake pedal, titanium tip. And there's the shift lever with the titanium tip as well. Looks amazing. Just want to do this quick unboxing for you guys. Super stoked on these. Can't wait to install them. And stay tuned for more bike build videos coming soon. Thanks, guys. So guys, this video was actually supposed to be my first YouTube short, but it was giving me some difficulties, so I decided to continue the video, make a little short update clip. I'm just going to show you guys the shifter and brake pedal once again, out of the bag this time. Titanium tip looks amazing. Got the AS3 stamp there. Here's the shifter as well. AS3 stamp, titanium tip. Nice and clean. So there's a lot more build videos to come. I've been filming a lot actually recently. Just haven't had the time to sit down and edit all these videos that are coming up next. So stay tuned, guys. I have a lot planned for the channel for the springtime as well. Kind of stressed out right now. Still waiting on some parts for the bike, and gonna eventually put that all together. You guys are gonna see how it all goes down. Still need to figure out what I want to do for graphics for the bike. I thought about doing the Pro Circuit Monster Energy kit, but kind of looking into maybe like a half black, half green scheme. But yeah, you guys will see that eventually. I've been looking at a bunch of custom kits as well. So lots coming down the pipeline. I hope you guys are liking the video so far. Just wanted to give you a little update, and yeah, super happy with these controls. They came 3 weeks late actually, so everything is just delayed right now, I guess, due to COVID and the war as well out in Russia with Ukraine. So yeah, guys. So once I get this suspension back, everything powder coated, it's gonna be a big install video. Can't wait to finish the bike. It's gonna be awesome. I hope you guys like the transformation at the end, and I'll see you guys soon. Stay safe, take care, like, comment, subscribe, keep supporting. Appreciate all the support so far, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.